Hello, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we'll be unboxing the Edifier TWS2 truly wireless headphones. This is with Bluetooth 5.0. This is the red model. We want to make sure we let you know that it's, again, Bluetooth 5.0, IPX4, water resistant rating. It has a charging case, as you saw. And once you fully charge the headpieces, they give you 3 hours, and then once you charge them with the case, it gives you an extra 9 hours. So that's 12 hours total. And these are red. Comes with a red case. They have different colors. So you can see the charge level of the case. And these are currently charging right now. I've been using these for a little bit. They have a little bit of an angle for fitting into your ear. They're magnetic, so when you put them close to the case, they connect right back in with the magnet. Same with this side. You turn them on by pulling them out of the case. They connect to each other, and then you pair it to your phone. On the back of the case, it has a micro USB port for recharging both the earpieces and the case. And like I said, you can find them in different colors. These are red. I tested these out already. These sound great with jazz and classic rock. I'll be testing them with different types of music, but initially jazz and classic rock sound pretty good with these. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel, and thanks.